Hey guys, Kyle Niner here with CIS 3620 exercise 9, I believe, on 3D printing. I chose the country of Italy to speak on 3D printing. No particular reason, just hadn't done Italy yet, so I thought why not. Um, Before I get into it though, 3D printing itself is basically the same as 2D printing, except a lot more complicated and arguably a lot more useful. Um, so instead of printing a picture or text on a piece of paper, you're able to print out objects or three-dimensional things that can be used as in the manufacturing world, or uh, a lot of 3D printing materials are even used in the art world. I mean, they can really be used for anything once they're created. Um, and 3D printing is actually starting to not have so many restrictions on it either. Before, when it first started, really the only material that they could use to print stuff out in was a form of plastic, a fairly cheap form of plastic actually. But as of recently, they've even successfully tried to 3D print some body parts that could actually help people with organ transplants and such, which is truly incredible. Italy itself is really using 3D printing for the manufacturing side of things. Uh, Through a little bit of research, I found this company called Marchesini, which is it's a group that is they're kind of like a packaging company. They tend to make, say, pill bottles and stuff like that, really. Um, and they've used 3D printing to say cut back cost and time to produce all these bottles, and they've actually become one of the largest 3D printing companies in Italy and semi in that part of Europe altogether. Um, they they've used 3D printing as really their main tool to build on their revenue and build up their company to be competitive from a very uh, worldwide sort of standpoint. That's just one of the things 3D printing can do, and with everything going on with the future of 3D printing, I think it's one of our um, more exciting technological discoveries that we've had in the last 20 years.